This potato is a potato called Charlotte. It's a set-aside potato, sorry, and there's just one potato in this 10-inch pot. I first videoed this particular plant 2 weeks ago, and what was noticeable was that there were potatoes starting to want to force their way through the side of the pot. Okay, and because the potato was called Charlotte, I decided to say that Charlotte was expecting potatoes, only because she was called Charlotte and you can actually see the potatoes in the pot. I'm rubbing my finger over them now, don't know if you can see them at all. It's a very lightweight, flexible pot, this. And so I've now brought Charlotte to the birthing barrow, and by the looks of the number of bumps around here, this is going to be a multiple birth. So let's deliver. I'll just take this top growth off first, and we'll deliver these potatoes for Charlotte. Okay, just move her out the way for a minute. I'll take this board off, and we'll do that. Okay, and here at Homegrown Veg, we believe cleanliness is next to godliness some of the time, so I've scrubbed up for this multiple birth. Charlotte's wanting to hold on. There we go. Right, let's see what we've got here. These are those potatoes that we're pushing through the sides. These are the potatoes you could feel through the side of the pot. So another advantage of these smaller lightweight pots is that you actually know you've got potatoes in the pot before you actually disturb the soil ball. What we'll do is we'll take the top, or should I say the bottom 2 inches of compost from this pot and see if we can find the seed potato, and then we can discard that. And there it is. Okay, right, let's help Charlotte. Let's see what she's got. Okay, this is from a 10-inch pot. The cost of the compost to go into this pot was no more than 50 pence. The cost of the pot itself was no more than 10 pence, because it's a recycled water bucket, a cut flower water bucket. Okay. We'll just pop these in here, see what there is. See if there's any more, see if we've missed any. Okay. Now you can use much bigger pots, you can use 30 litre pots, 40 litre pots, you can put 2 sets in, you can grow a lot more potatoes. But if you don't need a lot, and I don't, you only need enough for to accompany a couple of meals, you've got enough in a 10-inch pot. Right, I'll go and get the scales and we'll weigh those potatoes. Okay, let's count these potatoes in and weigh them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a dozen potatoes on one set in a 10-inch pot. Potato was Charlotte. It was a set aside shop bought potato. It's grown in that pot for about 17 weeks. 1 3/4 pound. I'll just check the yeah, 1 3/4 pound. 12 potatoes. Excellent.